If you want to start your journey to self-sufficiency or supplementing your food supply or even just starting a garden, I suggest these three vegetables. The first is tomatoes. They can be grown in practically any soil type and they're always going to produce. There's many different cherry type tomatoes or indeterminates that will produce all year long. They're easy to freeze, easy to can, or easy to dry out so you can use them even through the wintertime. They're great to supplement any dish or could be used as the main course themselves. The second is potatoes. You can grow potatoes throughout the entire season. You can even pull one out and eat it and the rest of the plant can continue to grow. There's so many bug-resistant and disease-resistant plants of varieties of potatoes out there that you can't go wrong growing them anywhere. Just make sure you have nice, loose, and moist soil so that your potatoes can thrive. You can use potatoes in pretty much any dish. They store for a very long time and you can also freeze them. The third one is beans. Whether it's bush beans or pole beans, they're very easy to manage and they're only beneficial to your soil in your garden and prepare nitrogen back into the soil to use for whatever you plant there next year. Their harvest is abundant and you can pick a ton all season long. As long as you pick them, they keep producing. You can use beans in pretty much any dish, and if you let them dry out on the vine, you can also get regular beans to plant next year. They're one of the easiest plants to replant or to save seeds from. And whether you like it or not, parsley. Parsley is one of the most versatile and healthy herbs that you can buy that's on the market. It can get out of hand, but the more parsley you have, the better off you might be. It's a great source of vitamin C along with other nutrients that are super beneficial in addition to all of the other plants that we've talked about. Potatoes come with a lot of carbohydrates for long-term energy. Parsley and tomatoes have a lot of antioxidants. Beans have a lot of proteins and a lot of fiber. So all of these vegetables that I've picked would help sustain you and supplement your meal plans and meal prep in an emergency, and you can use them practically all year long, and they're very easy for long-term storage.